what's going on, everybody? I'm chilling here with Brandon.
Hi.
Yes, he's almost taller than me.
Yep.
Not that that's hard to do, right?
Yeah.
So, Brandon,
Yes.
you want to tell everybody what we are going to be making right now? Because it's almost 2 o'clock and we didn't have lunch yet.
I know.
Because we had that nice big breakfast that you
Yeah.
made.
The egg
Did you
sandwich.
see that nice breakfast my son made me?
Yes. It was very good.
Ladies, get your daughters ready for this one because I'm training him good. He plays guitar now too, so I'll serenade them and make them a little egg sandwich. He's getting so red. Oh my god. Okay, so what are we talking about today?
Okay, so we're gonna be making mac and cheese in the microwave pasta cooker. It's very easy.
And now this is the pasta cooker, but what is this on the bottom?
It's the cozy, so you don't burn your hands.
That's right.
It's the most annoying part because you have to wait.
So this is your ceramic base, and it's going to come with this top. It's got the nice holes, so there's no boil over mess. So what are we putting in here first?
The pasta.
So good. We're making a double batch of this because he could usually eat it himself, but his sister usually will want to have some too, so we're doing double. And then we're putting in 1.5 cups of the water to the cup of the elbow pasta.
Yep.
Put a little salt in there, right? A little salty salt. Salt and pepper? No, just some salt. Turn it the wrong way, lefty. There you go. All right, that's good. So now, put this in the microwave for 6 minutes.
Hello.
Here comes crazy Carissa. 6 minutes.
Yep.
Lots of filming going on this morning. Who's here? What's up, Sabrina? All right, so.
Somebody left the bacon pan inside.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Put it in.
Thank
6
you for
minutes.
breakfast. And it.
Because we used that this morning and I left it there to cool. Alrighty. So we like to use this because why?
Because it's very easy.
Uh-huh.
And it makes delicious mac and cheese.
Exactly.
Yeah.
How does it taste compared to the box powdery stuff?
The box powdery stuff is nasty.
Okay.
And the box stuff is very bad for you, but this is healthy and it's good.
And it's quick and easy and healthy. So if you go up to my albums, guys, and you go to microwave pasta cooker, I have a ton of recipes in there, and it's not just for pasta. You could steam vegetables. You could do like edamame.
Yeah.
You could do quinoa in it. So there's a bunch of other ideas, but there's lots of pasta recipes. Super easy. It's great. You could bring it to your job. But it's great and easy for the kids to do on their own. So that is going to cook for 6 minutes. It's going to come out. We're going to stir it, and you're going to show them the rest.
Yep.
We're going to be adding some evaporated milk. You don't have to. There's other milks you could use, but this comes out really creamy.
Yeah, it makes it way more creamy.
So why don't we grate some fresh cheese? Because why don't we want to use the already grated cheese?
Because it's not good for you. Like, if you read the ingredients, it's also
wood,
like processed.
wood chips.
Yeah.
Wood pulp. Yes. So the companies put wood pulp in it.
No.
It's like, this is my
You did
video.
too many filming today. It's my turn.
All right, come on. Let's not fight
All right,
on what
my
all
turn.
they do is bicker. I'm sure there are moms at home going, oh, it sounds like my house. They fight about everything. Okay, so this is our coarse grater, and what I like is you can do it this way, or you can do it flat on a bowl, and you could do it, you know, left-handed or right-handed. This is the food saver, so you're going to put it right in there. Chiz, yes, 1 chiz. And it's actually cheaper to buy it by the brick and grate it yourself. So you're gonna put this on top, and then just go put a little pressure and go up and down. There you go. Look, show everybody. Look, look how easy. Wow. Ooh.
I've never seen cheese shred that good.
You can leave it on there. That's fine. No, don't put it on there. So keep putting it in there. So while he's grating cheese, I want to talk to you about another product. There's going to be no cheese left by the time we're done if you keep picking at it. Right now, I am drinking out of my metal straw. Now, a lot of you probably heard that they are doing away with plastic straws because they're ruining the environment, they're wasteful, they're harming the sea life and stuff.
Yeah.
So we came out with these metal straws. I'm telling you right now, if you go on cruises or you're going to Disney, you will need these. Order this for $6.50. You get a little pouch to carry it in, so you'll have them on you. You're going to get 2 straws, so if you lose one or you have multiple children or whatever, and you even get the cute little cleaning brush with it. So these are really great. So again, like I said, if you're going on a cruise, you're going to want to have these because they have done away with them You doing it right with that? Okay.
Yeah.
They've done
I
away
had
with
2 cubes, so-
straws on cruises, and I heard Disney also, you get paper straws that will literally disintegrate in your cups. So these are available now, so you might want to grab onto those. The other thing I want to show you, make sure you're holding this so that she doesn't go everywhere. The dog is kind of like looming around, waiting. And while you're doing that, you might as well just do the rest, right? You can always use
I
it.
got it.
Because how much, oh, that's probably enough cheese for you and your sister,
Look at all this.
right?
It's enough.
So, you know what I want to talk about, Brandon? Let's
Yeah.
talk about this bowl. So, stoneware. We know it, we love it, we have it. But what are some of the complaints that we get on stoneware? Well, the regular stoneware, it gets darker the more you use it. Now, I personally love that because it's seasoned. Stop eating the cheese.
I'm not eating any cheese. I'm giving it to the dog.
This is part of our entertaining set. This is our entertaining bowl.
Yeah.
We can
Very
fit a
entertaining.
ton of pasta in here, like 2 pounds of pasta. I call this the pasta bowl, but we put all sorts of stuff in this. But what I love about it is oven safe. This is stoneware, but it's glazed all around. So when you clean it, it can go in the dishwasher. You can clean it with soap. But what I love is, I'm going to make baked ziti in this later. I'm going to literally throw all the, I see you stealing the cheese. You're so busted. You can literally throw all the ingredients in here, mix it, shove it in the oven. When it's done, take it out. How great is that? So like up to 2 pounds of pasta, even the meatballs you can fit in here.
Ooh,
And
yeah.
we have coordinating bowls that go with this as well that are also stoneware. So they are oven safe, they are microwave safe. So that's part of our entertaining set. We also have the platters now. So those are really great as well. We have a minute left in this. Minute needs to go 3 more minutes. I didn't realize we'd be standing here for, 9 minutes trying to fill time and talk. Is there any other products that you love from Pampered Chef? I might as well eat some cheese while I'm standing here.
Can we talk about the cookies?
Oh, you want to talk about the cookies?
I'll go get the cookies.
Okay, I posted that yesterday, but that's fine. Does anyone out there have any questions or any products that they want me to see demo live right now while you have me in my kitchen with my great
delicious cookies. And I
So-
want one.
Let me talk about this container that we have here. So this is part of our, what?
I want a cookie.
No, you have to have lunch first. We're making lunch. This is part of our stack tight lids. So this is glass on the bottom. These stay tight. They are literally not going to fall out. Look at this. I actually do a lot of marinating in this. So you want to throw your chicken in here and your marinade. Nothing is going to leak out. These are great storage and they are safe. It's not like the plastic. This is now also oven safe. Yes, so now if you want to heat up or cook, it can go in the oven. It can go in the microwave, the fridge, the freezer. So it's your all-in-one container. They're a high-quality container. These are going to stay fresh. Okay, take it out. We have to stir it and put it back for 3 more minutes.
Easy to take out.
Yeah, you're not burning yourself. That's right. So the cozy is separate. Don't do that. What are you shushing
I'm
around?
not shushing around.
I don't need you getting burned on live TV.
I'm not getting burned.
Okay.
It's cozy.
Yes, the cozy.
Yes, the cozy.
So the water boils over, but it doesn't, oh, I'm getting a nice facial, but it does not go all over the microwave. It's starting to, all cook up, but now we got to put in 3 more minutes because we doubled the recipe. So the recipe on my album, Carissa, please don't stand behind me, I'm gonna fall, thank you. The recipe on my website, up in the albums, if you double it, it'll make a double batch.
Did you forget the milk?
No, we did that later.
Really?
You don't remember?
Okay.
Yeah, just the water and the pasta first.
Oh, okay. I thought we were
Oh, you know who's watching right now?
Who?
Miss Teresa, your reading teacher.
Oh, hello, Miss Carissa.
Oh, the best reading teacher ever. She's the best. She's the best. Oh, Kathy, what's going on? Nicole, how are you guys? So anyway, is there any other products you would like to see while we have 2.5 minutes to kill right now while we're waiting for the pasta to be done? Because we decided, oh, we might as well go live while we're making our lunch today because it's a lazy Sunday. The rain finally stopped, right?
It was also a lazy Saturday.
Yes, and tomorrow is a lazy Monday because you don't have school.
Yeah, no
Yay.
school.
Okay, I'm surprised she's not jumping up the cheese. Get out of
Get out
here.
of here, Mondays.
So yeah, that's about it, guys. What will you be making? Today, it is Sunday. Like I said, I'm going to be making my baked ziti all in one right here in this fabulous bowl from the oven to the table. I'm telling you, these entertaining pieces are my favorite. Wait, I have to show you the coordinating bowls.
Yeah.
I'm still watching you steal.
I didn't steal.
Check these out. The perfect size bowls to serve your pasta in. Also, these are stoneware. You gotta start grating more cheese. If you're eating it, your sister's eating, the dog's eating it.
I'm
It's
not
gonna be
eating.
not
I'm
much.
not eating any cheese. I'm just feeding it to the dog.
These are the perfect size pasta bowls. They coordinate. You could kind of do 2 of each, or you could do just the taupe to match the big bowl. But I like the way the 2 look together. They're really pretty. And the platters that we have that match with this, these also match these as well. Like I said, these are microwavable safe, and they stay warm a long time because it is our famous stoneware. Okay? So we have a minute left. They are boiling. Our pasta's going to be all boiled up. We are going to simply, it's as simple as this. You add the milk, you add the cheese, you let it sit a minute, it all melts, it all congeals together, creamy and delicious. This is, let's do a little bit more cheese because I feel like you guys ate most of it.
I got the cheese.
All right, and he always loves to put a little bit of like
Cheese
seasoning
bits.
in it.
Yeah, gotta get the cheese bits.
Who else is out there? Jen out in Brooklyn, what's up, girl? All right. Gotta give shout outs, right?
Yeah.
What? I know. Talk to me about this right now. Right now, her other brother. Right
I'm
now,
random.
while we're live.
So random.
Yes, you are so random. Okay, when you grate, don't go over the cheese and get your whole arm in it. Trying to teach him, you know? Okay, let me tell you about this egg sandwich my son made me this morning. Did you see the picture? It was on a biscuit. It was so good. The biscuits were from last night's dinner.
The biscuit was your idea.
And then the eggs, the bacon, the cheese. Oh, you cannot beat that. All right.
He's
move
like the
over,
best
buddy.
at it. He's the best at making the eggs.
All right. So now check it out, guys.
All right.
This comes off. Look,
Super easy.
it soaked up all the water.
Wow.
All right. So now all we're simply gonna do is what? Throw a bunch of cheese in. Now I don't measure, guys. I don't measure. This is what I do. This looks good, right? No.
Yeah.
Chill out with that first. We're gonna mix this in a little bit. I don't want to get it all over the cozy.
Curry.
We're gonna mix it in a little bit. You're gonna put your milk. Like I said, the recipe I love is posted in the album. It is the evaporated milk. It comes out so creamy and delicious. Let's get a little bit more cheese up in here. You are in control of the cheese. You are in control of the ingredients. There are no preservatives. You are in control. Once you give this to your kids, they're not gonna want Kraft anymore. Who's on? Simone, how you doing, lady? Haven't seen you in a while. How you doing?
Beat
All right.
this Kraft mac and cheese.
That's right. Beat this Kraft mac and cheese. We're just going to put this on. We're going to let it sit a minute and let it come all together. And guess what? Then you guys have your lunch.
Yep.
And it's nice and easy. Less work for me. I don't have to wait and boil water and add and butter and milk. And yes, we'll put in a little bit of garlic powder. So that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me, Brandon and Carissa, as we keep it real in our kitchen. All right, guys, have a great day. And if you have any questions about any of the products that I showed you today, please let me know. If you'd like to place an order, or why not just book a party and get it for free, right?
Yeah. Watch my YouTube channel, Brandon the Challenger. Please.
Okay, as he plugs himself.
Yes.
Oh, you know who's saying hi to you?
Who?
Do you remember Jessie from the cruise?
Me.
From the kids club?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's saying hi right now. I don't know if she's on the boat. How cool is that? Yeah,
Yeah.
from the kids club. All right, thank you for joining us, guys. Have a
Bye.
beautiful, beautiful day.